Helping you build workflows that make sense to your team is a priority in your CRM. So to streamline this process, we're introducing drag and drop functionality to your builder, allowing you to place elements where they make sense. Let's check how to use it. In the Workflow Builder, click the plus add button, then select whether to add an action or a trigger. For actions, drag them into any space marked with a plus sign. For triggers, you can drop them in place next to already existing triggers. Configure your action or trigger, then click Save. If you exit without saving, the element won't be added to the canvas. If you like the freedom of the advanced builder but aren't a full expert yet, this feature gives you the happy middle, maintaining placement flexibility while providing added guidance through highlighted placeholders. Building workflows can involve lots of repeated clicking and inserting steps. Drag and drop reduces friction so you can add actions faster, stay in flow, and build more confidently. We hope you enjoy it.